For this craft, we need one 12-ounce paper cup and 2 pieces of 7-ounce paper cups, a pair of googly eyes, 2 pieces of pipe cleaners, paint, double-sided tape, a glue stick, a marker pen, a pair of scissors, glitter glue is optional, a piece of paper card, and a hot glue. Let's get started. Take the 2 7-ounce paper cups. This will be used for the base. We only need to cut the lid of one paper cup. By folding gently, we can easily cut out the lid. Now, let's stick some double-sided tape on our second paper cup. Then carefully stack the cups together. This will make our base more stable. And next, take the bigger paper cup and get ready to draw the face, hair, and body. Then trace the drawing using a marker pen. Once we have done with tracing, let's start painting. While waiting for the paint to dry, let's add some color to our base. To make our dancing girl sparkly, let's put some glitters on her dress. For this, we'll be drawing lines of 1 inch by 3 inches. After cutting the 2 strips of paper, it's time to draw our arms and hands. Now cut the lines to make the hands. Now that we have our arms and hands, it's time to paint them. While waiting for the hands to dry, it's time to put eyes on our dancing girl. I'm going to use googly eyes with cute eyelashes to match her pretty dress. Let's add some blush on her cheeks. And don't forget her happy smile. Now, to attach the arms, fold at least 1 centimeter so we can stick it to the body. To glam up the dancing girl, I'll be adding a tiny bow on her hair. Now take the 2 pipe cleaners and twist them together. Make sure to straighten and stretch your pipe cleaners. And then grab a marker pen or a glue stick and wind your pipe cleaners around it. By winding it tightly around the tube, we can make a nice and bouncy spring. We are almost there. Now, let's grab the base and stick the spring to it. You may also check first if your spring is bouncy enough before we attach the upper body. Finally, after putting enough glue to the spring, we may now attach our upper body and gently push it down.